Well, the forecast looks perfect for an artsy weekend walk through the Valley Town. The Dundas Studio Tour is coming up Saturday and Sunday. Marley, Tufts, and Ryder join us from the tour. This is such I love this tour because, and this year, it's all walkable.
Yes. Yeah, it's great. It's very accessible for everyone, so you can just start at Green Ash Decor. You can start wherever you want, and everything is on your feet if you like, and you can stop into some of the restaurants on your way if you feel like having a little snack or a break, and our sponsors have been really great with that too.
And that is the best part of it, I think,
yeah.
is that you can go from studio to studio, look at a variety of artisans and makers, and then yeah, have lunch with a friend, have coffee to start off with maybe.
Yeah.
It's all about supporting everything that the artists do in Dundas.
Exactly. Absolutely. And we really encourage people to talk to the artists. I think that's one of the great things. Like the artists are loving questions and inspiration from getting to know people as well. So yeah,
right.
It's great.
So Lisa, you're hosting one
Yes.
of the studios, and everything's how many different makers and artisans do you have in your studio, and where is it?
So we have 4 artists in our studio. We have a wood turner, a potter, a goldsmith, and a painter. And we're at 64 Hatch Street, right across from the Shed Brewery, and we are looking forward to meeting with everyone.
Yeah. Oh, another great spot to stop along the way at
Yeah.
Shed there. And you make these beautiful candles.
Yes.
So will people that come into your studio, will they be able to see kind of like the candles being made?
Well, we use that space for the artists.
Okay, yeah.
So they'll see the space, but we won't be able to showcase that part of it. But they'll see all the candles and definitely see the space that we do make them in.
Right. You've been on this tour before. What's it like actually? Because I can imagine as a maker, it's probably kind of a very solitary existence, other than the people that you're working with. What's it like to actually see customers and have them ask questions?
I love it. Yeah, it's really fun. Everyone's really engaged, and the people that you have come out, they're coming from Dundas, Hamilton, but you know, within I would say an hour, you get people, and some of them haven't been to Dundas before, so that's really fun to introduce them to our little town, and yeah, and talk with people, and I love it.
Yeah, I can't think of how many pieces I've bought on tours over the years, because what is this, the 28th year?
It's the 28th annual year, yes. And then this year we're having our passport again, so we really encourage everyone to pick one up. If you get it signed at every location, you enter a chance to win one of the pieces of art as well.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah,
okay, if people
yeah.
have never been before,
yeah.
Any suggestions?
Well, grab all your friends. It doesn't matter what age you are, your family, and just have the best time. Also, tag us on Instagram on Dundas Studio Tour, and make sure you have your passport and your brochure, because it gives you like the outline of what artists are at what studio and stuff.
Okay.
And there's 5 different locations.
Probably a good idea to bring like a bag or something
yeah,
too.
maybe bring a water. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and just have fun, because that's what it's all about, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, just enjoy all the inspiration and different pieces, right?
And you say that there's a really good mix, a good variety at every single spot, at every single studio.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so there'll be like a potter, artists, makers, jewelry artists, like beautiful bags like this, different fashion designers. So yeah, it's a really good mix of things.
Okay.
So something for everyone, absolutely.
All right. That is coming up this Saturday and Sunday, the Dundas Studio Tour. It is free from 10 to 5 Saturday and Sunday. We'll get the links up on our website at chch.com/morninglive.